Setting up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development is relatively straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and install IntelliJ IDEA. Visit the JetBrains website and download the IntelliJ IDEA Community or Ultimate Edition based on your requirements. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Open IntelliJ IDEA. After installation, open IntelliJ IDEA. You will be prompted to configure the IDE for the first time. Configure JDK. If you haven't installed the Java Development Kit yet, download and install it from the Oracle or Open JDK website. In IntelliJ IDEA, navigate to File, Project Structure, Project Settings, Project, and select the JDK you installed. Create a new project. To create a new Java project, select File, New, Project. Choose Java from the list of project templates, specify project name, location, and click Finish. Write and run Java code. Inside your project, create a new Java class or package. Write your Java code in the editor. Right-click on the main class file and select Run to execute the program. Install plugins. IntelliJ IDEA supports various plugins for additional functionality. You can install plugins for version control systems, frameworks, languages, and more through the IntelliJ IDEA marketplace. Explore features. Take some time to explore IntelliJ IDEA's features such as code completion, refactoring tools, debugging, and built-in version control integration to enhance your Java development experience.